Hello everyone, let us learn about toggling icon, a basic element of Davum HTML controls. Let us learn what it is, how do you use it, and how do you bind behaviors to it. A toggling icon is used to switch between different states or actions. This is mostly used to show and hide passwords, expand and collapse content, etc. Now, let us understand how do we use it. Select the toggling icon element from the library of HTML controls. Drop it inside a compatible container element or on the canvas. For our example, we are placing it inside a container, along with an icon next to the toggling icon. Now, in our example, we have selected Davum as the toggling icon and a Reactor logo as an icon. We will upload the logos from the Properties section as shown in the video. Now, from the Properties panel, we will customize the toggling icon. We will select the Davum logo from the File Upload option under Configurations as the toggling icon and work on its background color, accent color, display settings, and other configurations based on our requirement. We will even work on the icon element by uploading the Reactor brand identity from the File Upload option under the Configuration section of the Styles tab. Now, to make the icon element visible when clicked, we will then select Block as the display option for the icon element. Then we will click on the three-dot icon next to the display option to add a behavior to make the icon visible on click. We need to enter a name and a description of the behavior, followed by selecting an icon to create the desired behavior. The icon can be either dragged and dropped in the placeholder, or you can browse and select it from your storage. Now we follow a similar process to make the icon invisible when clicked. For that, we will then select None as the display option for the icon element. After that, we will proceed to create a behavior for the same by clicking on the three-dot icon next to the display option. On entering the required details for the name and the description fields, we will choose another icon for this behavior and save it. We went ahead and browsed our favorite icons to create these two behaviors successfully. To ensure that these two show and hide behaviors for the icon have been properly saved, we can click on the Manage Behaviors icon. From here, we can search the show and hide element behaviors created now using respective behavior names we used during their creation. After that, we will select the toggling icon and right-click on it to access the Manage Events. To commence, navigate to the drop-down list and make a selection of the desired icon. Once chosen, proceed to configure the associated behaviors according to your requirements. To ensure that any subsequent modifications or additions to the icon's functionality are preserved, it is essential to activate the Apply Event Data checkbox. This crucial step safeguards your work and allows for seamless integration of future enhancements. The same procedure must be repeated to configure the deselect action, where we navigate to the drop-down list and make a deselection of the desired icon, as shown in the video. Once both select and deselect events are successfully bound, clicking the toggle icon will dynamically display or conceal the corresponding element as demonstrated. Now, let us see how do we customize the control. On selecting the control, the property panel will appear on the right side of the viewport and will be updated with additional customization options. So from the Properties panel, we are able to customize the styles, bind data source, and also add necessary conditions. Under Styles, we can change the appearance, margin, padding, width, height, fill color, accent color, etc. We should always publish the changes on completion of the process. With this, you've learnt how to use toggling icon element in Davum. Thank you.